The LC continues to have into the end of the video, but the Moto G5 2021 version of Verizon Prepaid. So the Moto G5 is not an ad Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $149.99. No contracts available, and it's the new label to modify the color. And you will have 32 gigabytes of storage. So this is what the Moto G5 looks like here. Very nice and firm, minus the big color. Then I got the teardrop now, show podcast and camera. Power and band case will be earned by side phone now. That's how the phone has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Moto G5, that's how to do a camera setup, along with your camera flash, fingerprint sensor on the rear right here, and your Verizon logo. Looks like it's like a 2 color, but it's kind of nice. Like it gets darker on the bottom of the side as it get up to the back of the camera. So it's kind of like a 2-tone color a little bit. Alright. What was there's the right there. Right side power and band keys. There's that one again. Just back. And this front. Right side, top of the Moto G power has your motion sensor microphone and a headphone jack, which is very nice to have. On the bottom of the Moto G port is your microphone, Type C charging port, and your speaker. There's the back of it again. There's the front and back. And then we go all the way back to the beginning of the front of the Moto G port there, which is a very nice looking phone, minus the blue color. Also, Moto G port has 22 days of standby time, 72 hours of usage time, 13 megapixel main camera, 2.99 inches in width, 6.56 inches in height. There. So it says underneath the Moto G5, the smartphone is big on the screen size, battery, and performance. All smoothness, write emails and video chat on the ultra wide display. Keep the phone going for up to 3 days. Thanks to the large longness and battery, the Moto G5 is also big on performance, responding to every touch and swipe, so you're always a step ahead. Take portraits to show the phones and create your own works of art with the many camera features. Wherever you go, stay protected from accidental explosive splashes thanks to its water repellent design. Created Moto G5 with Verizon, the network multiple rely on. And the go entertainment there. Says here, see more at once on the 6.5-inch Night Vision HD Plus display. It features a 20:9 aspect ratio and a large screen to body proportion. So your entertainment, games and video chats get the full view they deserve. Reliable power. Get up to 3 days of battery life with a 5,000 mAh battery. Watch video, set the web and chat with friends without pausing to refuel. Enjoy up to 9 hours of power in just 20 minutes of charging, so you can fuel up fast and get back to doing what you love. Smooth navigation. The Moto G5 smartphone responds immediately to each touch tap and swipe, thanks to the pop-up shot giving optical 1.8 GHz processor, and it is equipped with 3 volts of RAM, so not too bad, pretty decent there. Stay connected, go on social media, video chat, and play online games without missing a beat. So off the bat, this has a better spec sheet than the Samsung Galaxy A02s. The A02s has 2 GB of RAM, this one has 3 GB of RAM. So yeah. I don't know what processor it has, probably a Snapdragon, I don't know what processor it has exactly. It doesn't say. Remember that capture, you will never miss a moment with the ultra fast focus and 13 megapixel camera with face detection, autofocus that captures the subject in the blink of an eye, add a beautiful blur effect to portraits, or swap out the background and start getting creative. Set yes to adventure. The water repellent design keeps your phone protected whether you are out for a drink or caught in the middle of rain. Swells and splashes will stop the humidity point. So it's water repellent, guys. It's not waterproof. So don't submerge your humidity point, guys. Don't submerge your humidity point. Don't do that. Because it's not waterproof. Custom experience. With my UI, with my UX, your device works the way you want it to. Control the input gestures, customize the layout of icons and widgets, and personalize colors and fonts to create and look all your own. So that's what the Marvel UI looks like there. It's pretty nice. Kind of has the best stock Android mixed in there. So there you go. Pretty nice looking UI look. Yeah, I mean, like I said, it's kind of like stock Android a little bit. So I'm not gonna go with that. So the specs on the Moto G Play has Android 10, so that's pretty good. We should get Android 11 here soon. I'm sure that's going to be Android 11, 12, and 13, so that's pretty good. Also, yeah, let's get 22 days of standby time, 72 hours of usage time, 13 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel front facing camera. You also get a 2 megapixel depth sensor in the rear as well. It doesn't mention that anywhere on the spec sheet, but you did get a 2 megapixel depth sensor in the rear. Anyways, guys, so the dimensions are 2.99 inches in width, 6.56 inches in height. Here, don't say nothing about depth, so it's kind of understand that they don't have the depth dimension listed here. The Moto G Play weighs 7.20 ounces, 6.5 inch Fusion HD Pulse display with a 20 by 9 aspect ratio. 5,000 mAh battery, 3 GB of RAM, 32 GB of storage. Expand up to 5 travel 112 micro SD. Has 4G, of course, no 5G on board. There's your brand new Qualcomm Snapdragon octa-core processor. It's a real device with works in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. So pretty decent spec. If you guys need help with your Moto G Play, Verizon has your cover with that. So it says that Verizon Wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So yeah, so what comes in the box is your Moto G Play, 10-watt charger plus your USB Type-C charging cable, SIM tool. You also get to put in some SIM card, of course, so it's in the phone already when you guys get the phone. And you guys also get gas and stuff like that. So your standard stuff in the box, nothing special. And the refresh rate on this phone, guys, is at 60 Hz. Refresh rate, so nothing special from the refresh rate there. So yeah. There you guys have the Moto G Play 2021 version. It's not high Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $149.99. No contracts, of course. Very nice to confirm, play this in specs for what it is, a budget phone, so do keep it in mind. This does have better specs than the Samsung Galaxy A02s. Has better specs than that phone. I don't know what processor this phone has. Probably the same processor in the Moto G Power. In the Moto G Power, because it's not getting 662 processor. So this is a better processor. Heck, this phone overall is better than the Galaxy A02s in terms of specs. It looks very nice. I don't like the blue color. That's like the only thing I don't like about the phone is the blue color to it. I don't like that. But overall, I think it's a nice looking phone, stuff like that. So, yeah, guys. So there you guys have it. The Moto G Power 2021 version is now available at Verizon Prepaid for only $49.99 no contracts. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it has been a while, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.